Hey there, Consulting Joe here, and I've got a new video. Today I want to show my new app called FlipRSDR, and what it does is it uses this Flipper Zero and a computer or Android device, and you can connect to it. So let's just jump right in. So we can get into the application on the Flipper. I'll explain what it does in a second. It's a software defined radio. So now we're in the application. We heard that. So here it created us a new serial device on COM21. So we can simply connect to that. And now we can remotely control the flipper and run some scans. And we can set minimum RSI and all that. So let's go ahead and do that. We can go into the flipper and we can see that it's receiving messages. And we can send a packet. Let's go ahead and stop that. Let me grab a remote and we can send that packet. So we can start that scan up again. And here I've got a ceiling fan remote. And with this, we can send a message if we're on the right frequency. And we set that frequency 433. 433.050. We hit set frequency. Now we'll see here on the flipper, it's set. And so if we do a scan, we get a whole bunch of data coming in, and we could set the threshold so we don't get it until we hit our button. And there it is. So that's the power button for my ceiling fan. So we can go ahead and hit stop, and we can analyze those two packets. So that's the power button. That's a repeat. So we did our capture, and then we can actually replay that. So if we were to hit, let's just clear our waterfall. And then we hit start scan. Then we hit start record. And we hit that button and we stop. We've got it. So now we can jump over here to the analyzer, open that latest file here, and that is a replica of that. So now we can click in the section and see the decoded message. So here's 100% confidence of that hex value. And we can actually hit right here. So we can disconnect from the flipper on the receiver, connect to the wrong port. Helps to have the right port. Let's hit refresh. There we go. Connect to our port 21. We're connected. We have our message replayed. Maybe you need 2 messages to replay, and then you hit replay selection. All right, on the flipper, what that does, we'll see the message while it sends. There we go, replay burst. So my ceiling fan is turning on and off right now. So that's the gist of it. I'm hoping to add more features like record and store these on the flipper, these packets, so that we can just replay just these and have a new menu on the flipper side called just saved. And we can go through those packets and rebroadcast those. It works with the internal and external transmitter receiver transceivers. And let me know what you think. Let me know if you have any issues or have ideas to expand on it or contribute. So thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Have a good one.